each year. Can man create sounds from nature we hear? Can man set the moon also in the sky, or bring back our loved ones when they pass away and die? Some people got nerves, having doubts in their hearts, because they can't see him. They're quick to say that there is no God. You better believe it, there is a God. Oh, there is a God. Can man stop hurricanes, earthquakes and rain? Can man create a human brain? Can man control comets up in space and hold the oceans down, make them stay in place? Can man stop volcanoes when they erupt? Can man stop life from being so tough? Can man place one stop up so high, give seasons and restore many plants they die? Some people got nerves, having doubts in their hearts, because they can't see him. They quick to say that there is no God, but you better believe there is a God. There is a God. Oh yeah. Better believe it. You better believe it. There is a God. Some people got nerves, having doubts in their hearts, because they can't see him.